Hey, if you're looking to customize your Facebook lead email notification, here's how you can do it using LeadSync. From your dashboard, just go to message settings and you'll find the email tab here, and you can set the from email address. If you have an agency account, you can set the from email address. Otherwise, you won't be able to. It's just we need to set up change some additional settings if you want the from email address. Do get in touch with our support if you need that. Then you can customize your email address. You can see here that these are all the tags that you can use for dynamic content. So you can pull in format name, page name, the contact's phone, first name, last name, etc. And the same with the email content. You can then customize the content of the email by using these tokens. And you will also receive the full form details at the bottom of your email as well. And then you can also include an email signature, and you can also choose a file. So these are particularly good if you're an agency that's dealing with leads for one of your clients. So you can say that the lead is from you and attach things like your business logo, etc. Hope that helps.